up, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So in today's video I am going to share with you my Hawk makeup haul. This is the parcel which I got. Obviously there are some makeup stuff which I got recently, and you guys seem to like my hauls a lot, and here you go, I'm gonna film that for you. So before starting off, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. If you don't hit the bell icon, you're not going to get any notifications which you don't want, right? And all my Instagram details will be in the description, so check it out if you want to know more things about my life and stuff over there. I make reels and all, being consistent there. Okay, now let's get started with today's video. So I have already made a Hawk makeup ka haul in the past, which I shared like 3 to 4 products, and I got them from Hawk Makeup. Basically is a website where you get some authentic makeup brands over there, like Makeup Revolution, Nika K, LA Colors, LA Pro, and all those brands which are kind of available on Nykaa also. But mostly I've seen that Hawk Makeup have this bulk bulk kind of offers where आपको एक टाइम पे you get 2 or 3 products in bulk together in a very affordable price, like literally 50 to 60% off, which is amazing. In the past I got like some kinds of like palettes and stuff. Watch my before ka Hawk Makeup, you will know the things. This time I also got a lot of products which I want to show you. Not that much, but like mostly related to makeup, like eye palettes and stuff, which I really wanted to try from a long time. This product, there was an offer on Hawk Makeup that if you purchase around 1,000 के ऊपर, like 1,200 के ऊपर, you're going to get other stuff free, something related to makeup only. So obviously I wanted some things to buy, and if you're getting free, so why not? So I always, as I in before also Nykaa hauls and Nykaa videos and stuff, I have told this thing that always make sure that you are following this pages, Hawk Makeup or Nykaa, or like if you are following the website, you are going to know different kind of offers and deals. So you are going to get a lot out of the money that you are paying. So that is going to be amazing. The free stuff that I got is insanely amazing that I'm going to show. So wait till the end. So let's tell you the first product. So I got this Nika K palettes. These are the 2 palettes which I got. These are quite like known recent launches, and I've been looking around this palettes, like I'm wanting this palette for really long time. The shades are absolutely delight and amazing. They have mostly pressed glitters, shimmery shades, mattes, and this retails for 1,200 something, but I got it like absolutely for flat 50%, 750 में मुझे एक palette पड़ा. So this is called the Sugar Coat palette. So this has mostly pinks, mauves, and little bit of pops of purples and blue. So I'm going to show you the shades. I've not yet used this. These are the shade. I hope you can see. Very pretty, and I'm going to show you some pigmentation also. So it's buttery soft. I have a lot of Nika K other palettes also with 9 shades. I also have. These are the mattes. Here you go. So it's very nice, as you can see, very pigmented, not like absolutely delightfully, but mostly इनके जो shimmer वाले shades हैं ना, they are more gorgeous and they are buttery soft. I have swatched some in before also when I got this palette. I'm going to show you here. These are the shimmer shades. I hope you can see they are absolutely delight, and some एकदम foil shadows वाली colors भी है जो हम glitter के जैसे लगाते हैं. Even that is absolutely amazing. Here you go, and this is the second one. It's amazing. These are the metallic shade. Then you have this glitter wale shade. These are the mattes, and even these are the foil shades. They are very pigmented, and this is the palette called Sugar Coat. So it retails for 1,200 something, and I got it for flat 50%, as I said. So this is like the pink and mauve tone wala, and then I have a spice up. So basically this is warm tone. So it has mostly yellows, orange, red, all this kind of shade. I hope you can see. So there is a difference. Even this shade ki pigmentations are amazing. There are again matte, shimmers, and also pressed glitters, and also this pop of a very pop of like those glitters which you wear on mostly bridals and stuff. So बहुत ही ज़्यादा variety है to choose. So even if you get a palette which these are the mattes in this palette, I feel the mattes a little bit powdery, थोड़े एकदम ऐसे blendable नहीं है. But if you take like 2-3 coats of it, it is fine. But the shimmers and the glitter shades are absolutely delight. I will highly recommend for that only. As you can see, ज़्यादा आपको वही shade मिलते हैं. Basically middle line जो आप देख सकते हो, that are basically totally matte shade, and the first row and the third row is metallic shades and those glitter shades, which is absolutely amazing. I also love this particular shade. I'm going to show you the swatch. Some of the mostly all the shades are amazing, but some of them were so different for me. Like I have not seen a lot of different colors in most of my palettes which I have, and the pigmentation is amazing guys, amazing. जो ये वाले शेड्स है ना, मैट वाले जो शेड्स है ना अंदर वाले, इस ये वाले पैलेट में भी और ये वाले पैलेट में भी ना, इट इज लिटिल बिट ऑफ पाउडरी, तो आपको ब्लेंडिंग में थोड़ा ज्यादा लेना पड़ेगा, एकदम ऐसे बटर के जैसा नहीं है, थोड़ा पाउडरी है, सो यू हैव टू टेक 2 लेयर 3 लेयर, बट it is not bad, it is not bad. Like the pigmentation, I hope you can see, is amazing and gorgeous. If you want a whole dedicated review specifically, let me know. इसमें तो आपको पता चल गया रहेगा, but specifically अगर आपको total all swatches and all if you need, let me know. I have more Nicka K palettes. If you want to know, if you want me to tell you about Nicka K as a brand overall, let me know. I will definitely show it for you guys. Other than that, this particular stuff is amazing. Get your hands if you want different kinds of shade in your vanity. आपका mauve, warm tone, both like just see both of them. Like this is mostly of mauve, cool tone colors, and this is warm tone color. So according to your needs, you can purchase any of this. Okay. Then I got a Makeup Revolution contour brightening palette. This is how it looks. Here you go. So it has a contour shade, a highlighting shade, and a blusher. So this is something that I've used in the past and I've loved this. I'm going to show you that I've used this like in the past. आप देख सकते हो मेरा ये पहला purchase था. Like the bronzer and the this blush is totally over. This particular highlighter is something that I've used so much. It is that amazing highlighter जो blinding effect देता है, but not like chunky. It looks, I'm wearing this today also, it looks very natural. I've worn a lot today, but still I hope you can see it looks very nice, and mostly I've used this on my clients and stuff. That's the reason it completely over. I've still kept this to use on myself. I'm not gonna throw it because I love this. So in Hawk Makeup, as I said, offers हमेशा रहते हैं. So this particular palette actually retails for something 700 to 800, and there was absolutely more than 50% discount. तो मुझे 350 का ये palette मिला, which is amazing. I don't know if the offers are still yet. Before making this video, I checked it. Some of the products out of stock, but still I will link it in the description. So whenever there is an offer, please grab this. This is amazing. The contour, the matte shade is so good. This is not dark, not light. They're so buttery soft, guys. I'm not even kidding. This is the contour shade. Basically it's a bronzer contour. You can use in both ways basically, and this particular shade is not like that ashy or very brown tone. एकदम perfect shade है, which will cater to a lot of Indian brown skin tone. हम पे I've used that particular brown shade on a lot of people. The highlighter is to die for, as I said just previously, and this is the blush. So basically इसके 2 shades आते हैं, 2 variants आते हैं. This is one variant which is 01 I guess. And there is also 02 or something which has blush in color of pink. Okay, but this particular blush is a blush and highlighter mix, so इसमें थोड़ा shimmer भी है, so you can purchase that way. So I'll just show you here. So this particular जो blush वाला shade है ना, it has little bit of shade, so you can wear on your lid and all. It's multitask. It's on you how you wear this. Very nice, very sleek, easy to travel, and if you get this for 350, 400, it's amazing. Makeup Revolution as a brand, I really love. Their products are insane. Okay, the next thing I got, the last thing, like the last purchase thing, is the LA Color Auto Eyeliner. So past में I got LA Color Auto Eyeliner in brown shade, and I wanted a white because mostly क्या होता है ना, if you want different kind of eye looks, I wanted white, and this is the shade. Here you go. I hope you can see. It is like literally very pigmented and very easy to use. And mostly I like the retractable this kind of because you know आपको जैसे turn करते product आ जाता है. I don't like the sharpening thing. It's very hassle for me to when I'm in the go and like the clients रहते हैं ना, तो I don't have that time to sharpen and stuff. This is called shade white LA Colors का. Again, this was very cheap. I got this for rupees 124. Yes, this is for 124, and I think it retails for 200 something, but I got it for 124. Again, very much discounted for me. Okay, so the offer, I forgot, the offer was if you purchase 1500 के ऊपर, you're going to get 1500 के products free. So there was like listed नहीं था कौन से products आपको मिलने वाले, but I'm like okay, I needed all these things which I showed you right now. So जो भी मिलता है we'll see. And the free things that I got is amazing. Are you ready to see what free things I got? So I got liquid lipsticks free. Okay, these are the 3 liquid lipsticks I got. So the brand is called basically Beauty Creations. In this brand specifically on Hawk Makeup only, and itna mujhe I didn't feel that much to purchase, but this is called their lip glosses, matte lip gloss, but this is not a lip gloss. It is literally a liquid lipstick. It retails for something 400-500 one piece. I got 3 of them free. So it is kind of 1500 तक की मुझे मिल गया, and this product is oh my god so much pigmented, and I got all different kind of shade. तो उन्होंने मुझे बहुत अच्छे से भेजा है. So they have sent me one. Okay, I'll start with the nude. The first color is called Hazelnut. I have Hazelnut का एक shade from Blue Heaven also. They are discontinued, I guess. It is a nude. This is called the Hazelnut. I hope you can see. This is called the hazelnut. So it's liquid matte lipstick. So if you wear this for after a while, it will like literally turn matte and it will not move. It's transfer proof, also waterproof. I've worn this and I've used this. I think this is a very neutral lipstick. You can top this off with in if you wear a dark lipstick, अगर आप dark lipstick पहनते हो उसके ऊपर अगर इसको top करते हो ना, तो it's going to look very much my lip kind of shade. So you can mix and match and use accordingly. The next shade is a pink shade, kind of pink and mauve tone called Seductive. Even this shade is amazing. I've never worn this kind of shade, but I will definitely use this. Here you go. I hope you can. It is so pigmented. It says it's a lip gloss, but it is not a lip gloss. So this is the shade. Okay, this is called Seductive 26. And the third shade is literally a red, a pop of red, which is called Mine. M-I-N-E, Mine. Even this is such a pretty shade. Here. This is a very gorgeous red. I guess this is something that a lot of Indian bridals may pehante aise shade, and I'm very happy with the free things I got. And I've shared my smart trips. Mostly I've shared a lot of my smart tricks, the way I purchase from different kind of sites whenever there is deals and sales. That is only the time you purchase, because you're going to get a lot out of the worth you're paying. So always make sure कि आप sales में deals में purchase करो, because ना आपको ज़्यादा products भी मिल जाते हैं, offer में भी मिल जाते हैं, and you also get to know a lot different brands if you're interested. Okay, now my work is related to makeup, my work is related to doing makeup and stuff, so I need to purchase different brands and I need to try different kind of products. So I always make sure कि हमेशा I don't want to pay exactly the same amount if I'm getting it for cheap, right? So the thing is I have to keep I have to keep this window thing in my eyes whenever there is sale deals, that I can grab onto the products and get an absolute amazing deals. So my total was something 1974 for the products I purchased, and this is the free stuff that I got. Okay, these two palettes are something that I will highly recommend. They are very good. Okay, so yeah, this was my Hawk makeup haul. I got few products, but they were absolutely amazing. No regrets at all from Hawk Makeup. Just trusted blindly. I have purchased a lot from Hawk Makeup in the past also. So do check my previous hauls. You will get to know more about it. वो वाले previous video में मैंने पूरे details समझाया कि कैसे ship करते हैं, कैसे Hawk Makeup का क्या website है, उनका क्या month, everything about Hawk Makeup आपको जानना रहेगा. तो मेरा एक previous video मैंने बनाया. I will link it in the description. ठीक है? All the products that I've shown here will also be linked in the description. Just add to your wish list, and whenever there is sale, you can get a good deal out of it. Okay? So I hope that you liked my video. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and you can share with your friends if you want to share. And everything will be linked. As I said, my Instagram, my ID, everything will be linked, and I post every week. I post twice a week, so keep an eye to that, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care.